And good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Yeah, Uncle Al had a weird experience this morning during his walk. Thank you, Dino. And hi, Ontario Pepper. You would not believe it. Okay, boys and girls, my name's Uncle Al, or Diebulfrog for the rest of you. I like people. This is a story time, which is kind of weird. I just went walking about 2.5 miles around my neighborhood and nearby park and the little sinkhole where they have water and stuff. And I went by and I thought, wouldn't it be funny if I yelled out, I love Hubble's cat? Okay. All I got response was the two adult geese looking at me thinking I was nuts because I was yelling, I love Hubble's cat. And the geese thought, yeah, better take the goslings and walk away from this strange man. And I yelled out, car, and made sure they didn't get hit by a car. Whoops. And didn't get hit by a car. And I helped them walk across the street. Then I say, I love Hubble's cat again. And I felt something tapping on my leg. I looked down. It's a little gosling, Canadian goose gosling. And it had something on its bill. And I don't carry cash. I carry my cell phone. I didn't take a picture because it's an old cell phone. And the little gosling gave me $5, which was really weird. So I went around the park and I made sure nobody else was around. No geese, no goslings. Nice tip from a gosling, a fiver. American fiver. Hubble's cat, you're worth something out in the ether. Anyway, I thought, maybe if I yell out some other YouTubers' names. So I did. And you know what? I only got, oops, dropped something. And I dropped a penny. I got 4 pennies and 2 quarters yelling out, I love Liberty Gardens channel. That's all I got, which was pretty weird and pretty chintzy. So last person I shouted out to the sky, I didn't get anything. It was Step 1 Survival, BA, and Sippy Cup. I said, I love their channel. I like SOS. And all I got was a strange look from a neighbor's cat. I think Uncle Alan's nuts, but that's my story time for this morning. I like to thank Palmetto Prepared. Let's talk about prepping Tyler. Cheryl Hirsch, DIY Fun. I can't remember if Little Lady Prepper and Prepping in Progress. They all have fine videos. And the last one, I think it's Magnify the Imagination. New homesteader out either in Arizona or New Mexico. Really like his channel. Don't blow yourself up, kid. Anyway, it's a pretty weird morning. I want to keep this short, so I have my plain bowl of oatmeal and my cup of coffee with lots of milk because Uncle Alan's boring and plain. Now, I love Hubble's Cats video. I love all my YouTuber friends' videos. I do get a little cranky at times, like waking up 2:30 in the morning and screaming my head off. I should make videos then, but nobody's around and I don't really care. So anyway, be sure to check out these channels. And don't forget, tonight is Just in Time Prepping Saturday, right here. I think it's in the evening around 6 or 8 o'clock Mountain Time. Not too sure. Uncle Alan's old and he's getting a little dotty. And I just got hit by a Canadian goose gosling, $5. So it's been a pretty weird morning for a 2.5 mile walk. Now, after this, I'm going to go back to bed and try to get a nap because Uncle Alan doesn't feel too hot. So I'll catch you later, kids. That's all the shout outs I'm going to do today. Please check out those channels and you have a nice walk. Like I said, my suburbs touches right against to some of our forested and what you want to call it, wildlife areas. So please, when you're driving in Visalia, keep your eyes open. We don't want to do like last night where the idiot person down the street hit a cow. Now, sometimes dairy cows get loose from the feedlot or from a dairy and they'll wander through Visalia, which is horrible because you find like worse than dog poo is really big cow poo. So watch where you're driving in Visalia, kids. I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And that was the story time. Bye.